Hi, my name is Aaron Purcell with the Tulsa HBA, and today we're going to show you how to fix a cabinet door, a doorknob, and adjust a shaky door, all with this simple screwdriver. First, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust a cabinet door with two screw adjustments. One will adjust it left and right, and one will adjust it in and out. First thing you'll notice is the doors do not close. One's laying on top of the other. We'll open the door, and then we'll find the bottom hinge and adjust this screw. Next, we'll notice that the door is hinge bound. To fix that, we'll locate the screw on the back of the hinge and we'll adjust it. Now, as you can see, the door's closed properly and all is good. Now let's move on to the loose doorknob. First thing we're going to want to do is align it properly in the hole. Then we'll go to the back side and we'll tighten the two screws. Be careful not to over tighten them because we could strip out the screws. Also, it can bind up the doorknob and it won't function properly. Now let's take a look at this rattling door. It's a very simple fix. We're simply going to remove the strike plate and we're going to set it back closer to the doorstop. Once the strike plate is adjusted properly, the door will no longer rattle and will shut securely. These are a few minor home repairs you can do on your own. However, if you get stuck and need assistance, please visit TulsaHBA.com for a list of qualified professionals.